Way, way back many centuries ago, not long after the Bible began, Jacob lived in the land of Canaan, a fine example of a family man. Jacob and sons depended on farming to earn their keep. Jacob and sons spent all of his days in the fields with sheep. Reuben was the eldest of the children of Israel, with Simeon and Levi the next in line. Naphtali with Issachar and Asher and Dan. Zebulun and Gad took the total to 9. Jacob and sons. Benjamin and Judah, which leaves only 1. Jacob and sons. Joseph, Jacob's favorite son.